Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. Can you hear that noise? Somewhere in this ceiling, I think there's a kitten. Sounds like it's coming from over here. This home was built around 1905, and it's quite old. And there's probably some holes that would give access. So we're gonna see if we can find some kittens up here or not. This oscillating saw won't hurt the kittens if I were to hit them with it. It won't actually cut flesh that can move. It only cuts hard things. Well, the kittens are going to be terrified right now. Don't be afraid, little kittens. Okay, we got insulation over the top of this. So I got 2 gloves on the hand just in case something tries to scratch me. Maybe it'll provide some protection. I can't see. Let me try getting up in here and seeing if I can see it. I'm gonna have to get a better flashlight. Okay, so I got my DeWalt light. Let's go up in this hole and see if we can see some kittens. I can't very well tell. I'm having to film from my camera here. And if they have an escape route, they could have already gone. And I might have cut a hole up here for nothing. I'll come back and play this video in just a second so I can see what I see, because I can't actually look at the phone while it tells me. I don't see any evidence of any kittens. But they were sure meowing, and it sounded like they were coming from this hole. Did I cut a hole in the ceiling for nothing? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hello. In order to get into the crevices, I'm using the light on my phone and trying to maneuver it into some of these tight spaces. That led to some very bad audio, so if it sounds strange right now, I'm just doing a recording over this. But you can see right there, looks like evidence of maybe some kittens, but I couldn't actually spot any kittens. If you noticed in the first clip, there was a kitten in it, but we did not see it when we did the playback the first time. So that's why I was still searching. And there so we figured out where he is. We just found him. Now how do I get him out? There. I'm almost hit it at the hole. Literally, that is his tail. Poof. Right there. Oh, hear it meowing?
Oh, let
hear
me
it
get
meowing? So the wife's gonna come up here and grab it. She's got a glove on.
Because I'm not allergic.
You're not allergic to these fur balls, and I'm gonna take an allergy pill after this. Grab that cat, baby. Grab that cat. Oh, just one. Oh, wow. Oh, what a cute little guy he is. That's not going to be able to survive without Mama. Are we sure there's only one up there? It took us a long time to even spot this one on camera. What are we going to do? Do you think they'd be both close together?
Both?
If there's more than one? How many kittens are normally in a litter, dear? I don't know anything about cats.
It can range.
Oh,
there's
another one.
Another one. And these are little guys.
Oh.
I don't know where it is, though.
Okay.
Just here.
I'll try to see if I can catch it on the camera again, and we might be able to find it.
I'm trying to feel around.
You want me to hold the little one?
I'm only going to be able to reach so far.
Just get your hand way up into that hole, dear.
Oh, here. Okay.
Here. Got you, kitten.
Could be Pumpkin's cousin.
Look at the little kitten. I'm holding a kitten. I can tell you that this doesn't happen very often. I'm very allergic. I do not like these. It's a good thing you decided to wear black today with sleeves, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's just an outfit from TikTok Shop.
Yep. Is it okay to set one of these down? Is that okay? They're not going to like crawl off, right? You're really cute,
baby. I don't
baby.
know that I can reach any further.
Okay.
With my arm. Okay.
All right. These are the kinds of things we don't think about when we think of home ownership, you know. We really thought we heard another kitten, so we're searching very hard, but we absolutely can't find any evidence. We decided to investigate with the camera a couple more times. Do you see any kittens in here? Because we can't. I decided to temporarily repair this in case we need to get back in to find another kitten.